Good morning, Vundal. I am Rajkumar, Department of Mechanical, Sri Saudomia College of Engineering. Today we have discussed about the topic the Autodesk Fusion 360. First of all, we see the what is Fusion 360 or introduction of Fusion 360. Fuse 360 is an excellent tool for the precise modeling of 2D and 3D objects, such as animating your designs, render objects, simulate loads, and even prepare modeling of CNC machining. Is cloud-based CAD/CAM tool for product development and industrial design, mechanical engineering, and machine tool programming into one software solutions. It is a main point of the Fusion 360. The next slide is what is the use of Fusion 360 software. It is the most advanced software in the design field. Already we know the software AutoCAD, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, but this software is very easy to draw the diagram, solid modeling and assemblies compared to the AutoCAD and Solid Edge. And Fusion 360 is help the students and educators prepare for the future of designs and 3D CAM, CAD CAM and the tools of its kind, connecting your entire product development process into one cloud-based platform. The next slide is introduction of Fusion 360. This short course is perfect for learn the basics of parametric modeling, freeform design, assembly creation, rendering, 3D printing, and documentation and collaboration. By the end of this course, you should be able to first one understand the parametric CAD workflow. Second one, identify interface the Fusion 360. Next point is articulate the difference between body and component. The last one is model, render and document a part. The next slide is Fusion 360 good for 3D printing? Yes, Fusion 360 is an excellent choice for creating models for 3D printing. It also has the ability to direct to your 3D printer, and Fusion 360 can export as an STL file format that is ready of most 3D printing software. This diagram of specs, it is used for the draw the 3D modeling software in the Fusion 360. The next one is industry applications for Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is not only used for design and manufacturing tool and also used for sales, marketing, production and customer service, and also used for composite materials like analysis of carbon fiber and modeling a laminate long flow and modeling the thin composites and etc. The next one is what companies used for the Fusion 360 software. The most worldwide top level industries used for this Fusion 360 software like SpaceX. This is the manufacturing aerospace company for the worldwide top level industries, and Ultra Electronics and Lockheed Martin. These are the companies used for the our Fusion 360 software. Lot of job opportunities in worldwide based on the Fusion 360 software. I did notice only four number of companies in the slide. First one product specialist, next one tech sales specialist, next one business development representative, and CAD drawing in Fusion 360 for complex product and assemblies and etc. The next one is how much do Fusion 360 employees make? These are the basic salary for the Fusion 360 software. First one is sales associate. The salary is 4 lakhs per annum. The second one is senior graphic designer. The salary is 3.5 lakhs per annum. Third one, software developer. The salary is 4.5 lakh per annum. Next one, how much cost of the Fusion 360 software? The software is the based CAD CAM design is the cost for single user rupees 19,800 in 3-year validation. The next one is features of Fusion 360. The software is very easy to draw the diagrams, sketches and assemblies and solid modeling is compared to the SolidWorks and AutoCAD. These are the features of Fusion 360. These are the sample diagram of Fusion 360. Like first one is a jug, second one is a table pin, and third one is a spur gear. It is a used for draw the Fusion 360 software. Now see the next slide. The product development process in Fusion 360. These are the main things of Fusion 360 software. First one is 3D design and modeling. Second one electronics. Third one simulations. Fourth one generative design. Next one documentation. Next one collaborations and manufacturing. First one models. Next one is collaboration. These collaborations don't let locations and time zones and extensive reviews lengthen your development process and view all design data from a single project and easily collaborate with both internal and external stakeholders. Next on the manufacturing. This manufacturing process avoid costly rework, defects and missed deadlines that impact your bottom line with a truly integrated CAD/CAM and utilize high technologies to quickly generate tool path and cut cycle times and reduce machine and tool wear and produce high quality finished part. Next one is what are the learning objectives of the Fusion 360? There are major objectives in the software. First one 3D sketches, 2D and technical drawing and 2D sketches and parametric modeling, simple exercise and dynamic viewing commands and parametric dimensions, etc. These are the major objectives of the Fusion 360 software. The next one is what are the skills you will gain in Fusion 360 software. This course, the manufacturing industry is making a digital transformation and allowing companies to customize production through advances in machine learning and sustainable design and generative design and collaboration. With integrated and design and manufacturing process, this course introduced the innovation in CAD and digital manufacturing, speaking to the rapid changes taking place that are forever transforming the future of making. There are 4 main points to skills you will gain in Fusion 360 software. The first one is computer aided design, next one is mechanical design, third one is manufacturing process, Next one is how long does it take to learn Fusion 360 software? There are many learning courses available in online. You can learn from easily compared to other software. It takes only 6 to 12 months. Okay, now we will do one tutorial in Fusion 360 software. Let's see the diagram. Already we know this diagram. This is simple coffee mug. It is very easy to draw this diagram for the use of Fusion 360 software. First, see the diagram. This is a circular view. So I use the only three commands. One is revolve command, second one is sketch command, third one is sweep command. Okay, now choose the front plane. Okay, now please watch carefully. Now choose the front plane and also choose the sketch command and make some dimension in front plane. Dimension is 26 1.2 centimeter and 3.5 meter, and make some dimension in front plane. Okay, now I finish the dimension. Then I choose the split command from one part to another part. This is a split curve. Okay, now select the plane and select the revolve command. Select the total plane. Okay, now we got the circular view of coffee jug. Okay, now select some dimension in bottom view, then modify the coffee mug. Select the fillet command and circular view. Have got the circular view of coffee jug. Let's see the diagram carefully. This is the bottom view. Then I use the fillet command, make some dimension. Then I select the front plane of the diagram. This is the front view of coffee mug. Then I have choose the sketch command. Then I have choose the split command in from middle of the diagram. Make some point. Specify the first point. Wait. From one end to another end in the middle of the diagram. This curve name is spline curve. Watch carefully. This curve name is spline curve from one end to another end. Okay, now finish the sketch command. Then I choose the stop sketch and I choose the plane tangent to the plane tangent. In the click the one point. Okay, now we have the tangent line. Then okay, once again I choose the and make some dimension in tangent line. The side view of coffee mug. Then I choose the rectangle command and draw the starting point and make some dimensions. There are 4 equal dimensions in rectangle. Then I choose the fillet command and modify the 4 corner. The dimension is 1.5. The fillet command is 1.5. Then I choose the sweep command. Select the one point and select the path selected by the joint. Okay, now we have the coffee mug. It is a full view of coffee mug. It is very easy to draw the Fusion 360 software compared to another software like AutoCAD, CATIA, Solid Edge. It is very easy to draw the coffee mug. This is a full view of coffee mug. Only 3 steps. First one is draw the sketch and make some dimension and also the revolve command and select the plane. We have the circular view and also select the sketch and make some dimensions and select rectangle box in middle of the diagram from one point to another point and select sweep command. Now we have got the coffee mug. It is very easy to draw the diagram for the use of our Fusion 360 software. It is an overview of 360 software. First select the any one plane. This most important point is first one, select the any one plane. Maximum front plane is very useful for the make diagram in any software. I hope all are understand